wheel well, perhaps for Spa-Francorchamps. Oh my god, let me show you. I got my AC filled up yesterday and I have an oil leak on the front left corner of the car. And when I situate the car in my garage, this should be in the front of the front left wheel. This is what I saw. So this is the condensator, I guess, and it is full of oil. And it has been replaced when the engine has been rebuilt. And this is something I did. Strangely, the leak was, I think, in this area. I can't find any tracer on here, but this one is very dirty, and you can, or maybe not, tell that this is the color, the tracer color, that fluorescent yellow color. Maybe by just tightening up those few connections, my problem will be solved, maybe, hopefully. Yeah, pray with me. Okay, so unfortunately I didn't have the time to film it because I wanted to get it right. And so the connectors on the back of the wheel were all pretty much tight. And even though you see a lot of that tracer on those connections between the hoses in the wheel well and connecting to the heater box, there was, I think, a lot of grime from the past owner, and it wasn't cleaned after it was fitted. But on the front, on that condensator, there was one connection that was really loose. I could almost turn it one entire turn, which is a lot, but I don't really understand because they do like a pressure test and a depression test, and everything was all right. So yeah, hopefully this time that this is now fixed, I will be able to keep the pressure in there. I didn't expect to find the error or maybe the solution to my problem with the AC while just getting the car a wash and preparing it for Spa-Francorchamps. So now, evening before Spa-Francorchamps, the car is cleaned and we will now pack all the stuff in there because yes, we managed to find a solution to go there with the kid. So, oh,